In a cozy little house on a bright sunny day lived Tom the cat and Jerry, who loved to play. Tom was big and fluffy with whiskers so wide. Jerry was tiny with quick little strides. Tom liked naps on the soft blue chair, dreaming of fish and cream to spare. But Jerry would giggle and tiptoe near, whispering softly, "The coast is clear." He'd nibble some cheese from a shiny gold plate, then zoom through a hole before it was too late. Tom would awake with a great big yawn, stretch his paws and put his shoes on. Jerry, he'd shout with a flick of his tail, "I'll catch you today without a fail." He'd chase him around the table and clock, bump into chairs, oh what a shock. Jerry would slide on the kitchen floor, slip past Tom and reach the door. He'd swing on a spoon like a circus star. Landing safely in a cookie jar, Tom would tumble into a cake covered in frosting from head to nape. He'd sneeze and sputter, pink and white, looking quite silly in that funny sight. One day Jerry found a kite, bright and colorful, flying high in light. Tom saw it too and ran outside, determined to catch that mouse who'd glide up on the fence and over the tree. They raced as fast could be. Neighbors watched with big surprise, wondering at Tom's frosting disguise. But when a dog came running near, both Tom and Jerry jumped in fear. They forgot their chase and worked as a team, escaping together with a clever scheme. They hid in a box till the dog went away, then peeked outside in the light of day. Tom looked at Jerry and scratched his head. "Maybe we're better as friends," he said. Jerry smiled with twinkling eyes, no more tricks and no surprise. They shook their paws, what a sight, then shared some cheese in the soft moonlight. But just as quiet filled the room, Jerry grabbed the spoon, zoom, zoom. Tom sprang up with a playful cheer, and off they went again. "Come back here."